Location, Brisbane. Property, industrial warehouse. Category, fire. Claim size, $180,000. A paint combustion explosion occurred overnight in a factory that manufactures and distributes sprinkler system pipes and fixtures. The building affected was approximately 1,107 square metres, with a 7.2 metre high ceiling, with 2 mezzanine levels, including kitchen and bathroom amenities. The building was a relatively open area, and the result was 100% of the surface area was affected by smoke and soot. All contents and materials were also affected, with varying layers of soot. Some of the challenges with this were, number one, the business needed to be able to continue operating during the course of works. This business had a high level activity and didn't want to have any interruption to that. Number two, salvaging contents to reduce the claim cost. The contents value was indicatively estimated to be approximately $150,000. If this could be saved, then it would make a significant impact on reducing the overall claim cost. These contents consisted largely of hot-dipped galvanized fittings and fixtures. Outcomes. In relation to business interruption, a temporary wall was created inside the warehouse. The purpose of this was twofold. One, to avoid cross-contamination between cleaned and not yet cleaned areas. And two, to assist with reorganising operations within the warehouse so that the business could continue operating as normal while fire restoration work could occur simultaneously. Second, time frame. The volume of cleaning looked enormous and the initial projected time frame was 6 weeks. The job was completed within that projected forecast of 5 weeks. Third, contents. All contents were successfully cleaned, salvaged and restored by performing quality fire cleaning works, which helped reduce the overall claim cost.
One of our favourite outcomes was establishing a great relationship with the business operators. Having barbecues together on Mondays helped, and it wasn't long before they were able to return to work as normal. Job done.